Hello again, heroes. Joe Smith here's that people like to watch other people open boxes on YouTube. So Joe Smith has an open box video. Today you can watch Joe Smith open a box on YouTube. Maybe Joe Smith will get 10 million views and subscribers. Here we go. Wow. See how this box opens? Wow. Here's a plastic putty knife, a scraper. How's that for a Joe Smith opening a box video on YouTube? Want to see Joe Smith open another box on YouTube? Joe Smith open another box for his heroes on YouTube. What you got here? Piece of paper. Looks like some sort of handle. Some small parts. Lots of things wrapped in plastic and foam. Joe Smith needs a holder for his cell phone. Looks like fancy piece of machined aluminum. Some sort of pipe or barrel with threads on it. More machined aluminum. Some sort of paperweight. Wonder what Joe Smith can use this paperweight for. Maybe Joe Smith will use it to hold down some papers. Another plastic bag of little pieces. There's a big spring in this plastic bag. And looks like some sort of tube of some sort. Wonder if the spring is supposed to go in that tube or something. Well, I guess Joe Smith is going to have some fun figuring out what to do with all these parts and pieces. Hope everyone's having a good week. Joe Smith signing out.